Welcome again to Frequently Asked Question Friday. I'm just going to do one question a day, and then because then I want to make an announcement. The question is do I still need an attorney if the insurance company says it will pay my medical bills? I think the general rule there is yes. You just can't trust insurance companies. They lie all the time. They may say they're going to pay your medical bills, and then if it turns out you're more injured than either y'all thought you were going to be, then they're going to say, well, we didn't say we'd pay those kind of bills. Alternatively, what they do all the time is they get your medical bills and they go, well, that's unreasonable. That's not a reasonable amount of money. We're not going to pay you for that. So a perfect example is you go to the hospital and you have no control over what a hospital is going to charge you. You get the bill, you send it to the insurance company, and they go, well, that hospital charges too much. We're not going to pay those kind of charges. We're going to pay X amount. And they do it with us all the time, and we have to fight them on that. But that's what they're going to do. They're going to claim it's not reasonable, and they only have to pay reasonable bills. And they're going to say, well, yeah, we said we'd pay your bills, but it was implied that meant reasonable bills. And so, believe me, whatever bill you send them, they're going to decide it's not reasonable. Sometimes they'll get a doctor to review the bills. Sometimes they'll get a nurse to review the bills, or a chiropractor. Other times they don't get anybody to review them. They just say, hey, we think this bill's unreasonable. And, and we've been doing this for a long time. And we say stuff like, well, look, that's what the hospitals charge, and our client doesn't have any control over what a hospital charges and whether they think they need to do an MRI or a CAT scan. And it doesn't matter. They just say, well, we just think that's unreasonable. So that's basically what's going to happen to you. If you've ever tried to handle your own claim, that's that's happened before. So, yeah, they're going to say, we'll pay you medical bills, but good luck. And then, like I said, what if it turns out you need some more expensive tests, or you need to see a specialist for some reason? That's when they start going, we don't think that's related. We don't think that's that's reasonable. Well, we're not going to pay for that because that's not related. And of course, these adjusters pretend like they're doctors, and they decide whether something's medically related or not. So. Again, as I say all the time, keep in mind the insurance companies are not your friends. They will act like it. They'll be very nice to you. They're sorry you got hurt. And they act like they're your best friend, but their job is not to be your friend. Their job is to save the insurance company money. And so, anyway, basically, my advice is, unless it's just something minor, and you're fine after a few days. If it's anything more than that, my advice is 99 times out of 100, you're going to need an attorney. So, anyway, now for the announcement. Anybody who lives here in the Corpus Christi area knows we had our first snowfall, I think, since 2009. And first significant snowfall since 2004. So it was pretty nice. Snowed pretty much from like midnight till about 8 o'clock this morning, and really beautiful. I took a few pictures, so I hope most of y'all did, and I understand if you're in Houston, y'all got some pretty good snowfall too. So what we're going to do is have a little contest and ask anybody who took photos of the snowfall to post the photos on Facebook in the comments section. And we are going to pick out a winner of the best photos. And we are going to give the winner 2 tickets to the Harbor Playhouse, A Christmas Carol, which is playing next Sunday at the 17th. So post your photos, and good luck, and hope you win.